Now the black paper says, oh, ED, CBI. But look at what people are saying. And yesterday we did a survey of what would be the reaction to the arrest of Hemant Soren. I want to pick up what that question was responded to and how it was responded to by the people. 22% people believe that, okay, it might be unjust, but double that number, 43% people believed that उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ किया होगा इसीलिए अरेस्ट हुए. This is for Hemant Soren, and let's look at the same question was asked about the ED summons to Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party netas. Here again, the same question, about 57% people believe that whatever is being done is correct. Are you out of sync as far as corruption is concerned? Because I read out the number of scams in the UPA era. I'm talking about the bundles and bundles and bundles of obscene amount of cash that came out of Jharkhand and Odisha and allegedly from people connected with Dheeraj Sahu as well as Hemant Soren. 350 crores in cash coming out of country liquor. Abbas Haider, ये गरीबों का पैसा है. You're saying this is not an issue for people?
Navika ji, first of all, these agencies like ED, CBI, Income Tax, they have lost the confidence and credibility among the people. Second thing, Navika ji, we never talk about audit of PM Care Fund. We don't talk about Vyapam anymore. We don't talk about many scams of in the Bharatiya Janata Party government, like rice scam in Chhattisgarh or scams in Uttar Pradesh, even Ram Mandir land ghotala. We never talk about them. And what is happening in these cases, we don't know about it. Because the agencies which look into these issues, they are controlled by the union government. The question here is, Navika ji, if you talk, we all know, we have discussed on your show many times, what is the rate of EDI or ED when it's when the disposition of cases are concerned. So these are concerns. And if we talk about corruption, Navika ji, Bharatiya Janata Party, the problem here is the poor have become poorer and the rich has become richer. The disparity in this country has increased in the Bharatiya Janata Party government. We have seen that the cash has been recovered from many people, but at the same time those cash have been given back to the people in many cases because they could show them in their books. So this is what has been happening, and we make big news that the certain amount of cash has been recovered from somebody. And why if there is nothing if there is something wrong with that cash, why do they return that cash amount? So Navika ji, the problem here is Bharatiya Janata Party talk about white paper, they talk about ED, CBI corruption, but they don't see what's happening inside the Bharatiya Janata Party. They couldn't see the scams which are happening in Uttar Pradesh or any BJP ruled state.
नहीं, I'm afraid I don't. He's a very dear brother, but I don't. But उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि Tehseen has just proved tonight that this election has no issues. Because he has brought up an issue that he was talking in 2019 election about the unemployment being 45-year high. This was the mudda that Rahul Gandhi brought up before the 2019 election. अब ये फिर ले आए 2018-2019 की news based on a survey that has already been debunked by Professor Vivek Debroy and Sanjeev Sanyal authoritatively. So please, right now जो issue है वो नाविका आपने बताया है. 2013-14 में इन्फ्लेशन कितनी थी? 13.5%. अभी कितनी है? 5.7%. 2013-14 में जितने भी बैंक क्राइसिस थी, जितनी डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुई थी, वो सब आज बीजेपी is head and shoulders above the UPA in almost every parameter. But here I come. Give me 30 seconds. I don't know why वो अपनी कबर खुद खोद रहे हैं. उनको करप्शन की बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. Because yes, while the original BJP I accept is less corrupt than the Congress, the present BJP is as corrupt as Congress because आधे कांग्रेस से करप्ट तो उन्होंने खुद ले लिए हैं. और on a lighter note, my dear elder brother GVL जी हमेशा उसी डिबेट में होते हैं जिसमें हम करप्शन डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं. मुझे ये एनेक्डोट याद आ जाता है that he wanted one Mr. Y Chaudhary arrested because he perpetrated a scam of 5,700 crores. The very next day, Mr. Chaudhary joined the BJP. When we talk of Ajit Pawar, when we talk of everybody else, when we talk of the FCRA amendment...
Clearly, one side doesn't want any investigation by ED and CBI and feels democracy is under threat because of them. On the other side is the so-called washing machine. Well, on the story of white versus black, Where do people of India stand? Will they stand with Prime Minister Modi, or will they stand with those from whose houses 350 crore in cash really come out? Well, the jury is out on that one. We leave it at that, completely out of time. Thank you very much to my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe.
You were watching the News Hour at 9. Stay tuned.